All right, Jason, I figured I would do a video, screen video. It might be easier than making step-by-step instructions. So anyways, here we are. This is the dev site you'll be working on. Ignore the URL. Like I said, I had to move it to some off server setting or whatever. That way the database didn't conflict. So what we're doing now is we're comparing pages basically. So here's your current site, the live site. So let's find, let's see, where am I? Hotels, I think. Is that where I'm at? Yeah, hotels, right? So here's the image, the banner image you were referring to earlier, and it's got all these little thumbnail images. Some of these are already in the back end, some are not, so this kind of thing you have to check. So basically what I'm doing is logging in to the page and then adding the images, okay? So we know this banner image is missing. We know we're missing these thumbnails right here, other than this one. So once I load this page up, I'll just go to Edit. And I'll load that up. And then here's the editor. And I'm sure you've seen this before. You're doing edits. If you happen to see all this little code here or whatever, these lines of text, just make sure you click the editor so we see this is what we want. So here's the banner image. I'm just going to click that pencil. And then you see the X, that's just saying, hey, this image is, can't be found, which we know is a problem. I can't find it. You don't have to X it out. You can actually just hit new. And then we would need to add that picture in there. What I would recommend is once you click, hopefully I don't lose you on this, when you click the plus to add a new one, it's going to show you what the actual image is that's already selected for it. See how this is checked? Obviously there's nothing there. It's blank. It's empty. I recommend you delete this because it's unnecessary space and content. You do have an image back there, so I would delete that out. Just my suggestion, because now when you're looking for images, you got to look through all these gray blocks. I mean, we want everything to be nice and smooth. But again, that's up to you. So click the plus, and then you can upload a file by dragging and dropping. It's like a drag and drop it in there. I'm sure you know that, but just in case you don't. So drag in your image, or you can upload it. Okay, so what I'm doing, I have a Mac. I don't know if PC works this way. I don't know. I'm going to assume that it does, and then I'll show you another way if it doesn't. So with my Mac, I'm in Opera browser. I don't know if the browser really matters or not. It probably works in Chrome, I'm sure, or Firefox. But this is the image we're missing. I'll just drag it right out onto my desktop. Right? I'll drag it right off. Same thing for like this image, just drag it off, drag it, drag and drop. And then when I'm ready, for instance, like to add the image, I click the plus, and then here's that banner. I'm just going to drag it right in there, and it's going to load up. And once it loads up, it's got the pencil on, or the check mark, sorry, on it. See? And then I'll just hit add image. Did I not do it? Am I losing my mind? I'm pretty sure I clicked it. Did I not? Maybe I didn't. Maybe I'm going crazy here. Let's try it again. Oh, I guess I didn't click it. Anyway, so it loads it up. Click save. Update. And then let's just check the page to make sure, everything worked out. So I'll open the tab. Hotels. There's my banner. And then I would go one by one and update these. You did say, of course, that maybe you'll do new images. And then all you would do is scroll down to each section. See how they're blank, they're missing. This has got a silly graphic. These are all missing images. And don't let it fool you. Some even show that it has an image, but it's really not there. So the Barrymore Hotel, looks like you have one, right? The Barrymore one? But we don't. So I don't know what's going on. Something really weird's happening. I don't know. So just click the add image thing in the pencil. And the same thing, click your little plus sign and then drag it in or upload, whatever you prefer, and then add that image in there. Now, if you can't drag and drop on your computer, because it doesn't allow you, what you'll have to do is log into Tampa Riverwalk, your current site, and find that page. So for instance, this page, the hotels page, or whatever page you're editing, Monument Trail, News, whatever it is. Edit that page. I'm hoping you can drag and drop, because that's quicker. This way is manual, and it will take a lot longer, but hopefully the drag and drop deal works for you. So what you would have to do is find the image you're missing. So for instance, we're missing the second image for Embassy Suites, right? I need to click the pencil, and then I need to click the plus sign, not the X, the plus, and see where our automatically default selected that image. And then right over here is a URL. So I need to copy this. It's tedious, man. I'm really hoping you can drag and drop to save you some time. And then I'll paste that link in my browser. And then there's that image. Boom. Right? So then I download, however you can download the computer again. I'll drag and drop it. But if you can't drag and drop, then you can do like a right click. Well, I think it's right click for your, do save image as, copy image, whatever works for PC. I'm sorry, I don't know. So once you get the image to your computer, to your desktop or whatever, then you can come back in here and then you could upload it, right? So whatever image is supposed to go here. So the embassy one or whatever it is. I think that's where we're at. Then we'll set the image, and then there it is. That's the wrong one. I won't save that. That's it. If you run into some problems, feel free to call me, email me. It's tedious, but it's straightforward. It's not hard. I'm hoping, again, you can just drag and drop an image. So just like click your mouse on it and drag that bad boy right out of there. And then just go page by page. I've done the home page, the visit page, I think, and I'm going in order from left to right. So I think I did visit. Yep, I did. Oh, I stopped on visit or shopping. I got halfway through shopping. So shopping, and then down through these, and then over. I think, oh, that's an outbound link, so you don't have to worry about that. I think that's it, man. Hopefully this helped you.